My dad is a judge in South Boston, and when I was a kid, he brought me to one of his drug court sessions, which is a deferment program that basically allows first-time nonviolent offenders who have a history of drug abuse to go through kind of a guided, therapy and probationary rehab clinic, basically, to prevent them from spending any time in jail. And he's the one who taught me that, addicts, when they're in the throes of addiction and they're either looking for drugs or they're under the influence of drugs, that's not reflective of the person as a whole. Seeing the drug court with my dad really kind of taught me empathy and compassion for addicts and people suffering from mental health disorders. And so I wanted to pursue a career that would also allow me to help that community.
Nick's been in my lab for about 5 years as an MD PhD student, so I'm training him in actually integrating his love for clinical medicine with a love for basic research. And Nick's very special in that way because he's very committed.
We study in this lab the dopaminergic system and some of the molecular mechanisms that underlie dopamine-dependent behaviors, including addiction. We found a neuronal peptide receptor in the nucleus accumbens, which is the pleasure center of the brain. And when I infuse a drug that activates this receptor, it actually blocks cocaine reward in mice. This is an important project because it's a potential therapeutic avenue that people could pursue for psychostimulant addiction.
I think his research is going to be really a landmark in that area, and that will help to drive him forward as he continues his career and develops as a medical scientist.
I think my biggest hope for my career as a psychiatrist is to reduce the stigma surrounding addiction and mental health as a whole. I think that we are making good progress at that, in society now, but there's still a long way to go. People need to understand that it's actually a disease that people are suffering from.